In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage inventory in Xero. To begin, navigate to the Sales section located on the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Click on Sales to open the drop-down menu, then select Products and Services. This section contains a complete list of all the products and services you've added, giving you an overview of everything currently available in your inventory. Once you're in the Products and Services section, you'll see your inventory items displayed in a list. Select the product or service you want to manage by clicking on it. This opens the item's information page, where you can review the details associated with that product or service. On this page, you'll be able to view the transaction history for the item, along with any notes that have been recorded. You'll also see important information, such as the item's price, the account it's linked to, and any tax rates that apply. Reviewing these details allows you to confirm that the information is correct before making any changes. If you need to update the item, look toward the top right corner of the page and click Edit Item. This opens the item's details so you can make the necessary changes. Update the information you need, whether that's the price, account details, tax rate, or any other available fields, then save your changes once everything has been updated. Also located at the top right of the page is the three-dot menu. Click this menu to access additional management options for the selected product or service. From here, you can archive the item if you no longer want it to appear as an active product, while still keeping a record of it. If the item is no longer needed at all, you can choose the option to delete it from your inventory. The same menu also includes a duplicate option. Selecting this creates a copy of the existing product or service, allowing you to quickly create another item using the same information without starting from scratch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you. Please like and subscribe.